Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. Reading to for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Okay, this is for Virgo career. Okay, career yung ating focus dito ngayon. So, take only what resonates. Naghihintay sa'yo, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo, pagdating sa iyong career. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pasuyo na lang po, no? Pahit ng subscribe button. Sana mapili mo ako as your guide ngayon. At, yun lamang po, ano. At sana mag-comment ka, mag-like. Ayan, start na natin. Unicorn Princess Tarot, yung TikTok namin. Paki-check na lang. Okay? This is for Virgo. Career. Reading for Virgo. You do have here 6 of Wands and 4 of Pentacles. And tell me about this. One more card for this, please. Clarify. So, ayan. You do have here 3 of Swords. Nakakita tayo dito ng, actually, the 6 of Wands is about victory. Okay, this is you na marami ang humahanga sa'yo, marami ang nakakita sa'yo at nakikita nila, wow, ang galing mo. The 4 of Pentacles, I feel like regarding, magaling ka sa paningin ng iba. Ikaw ay mabango ang pangalan mo, tingin nila, ang galing mo. Pero hindi nila nakikita yung laman ng wallet mo. Yung iba sa inyo may disappointments regarding that. Especially with the 3 of Swords. And the 4 of Pentacles. So this is may kinalaman sa mga inaipon, they don't know what's behind that that name, 'di ba? Sa pangalan mo maaaring ito mabango, maganda tingin ng iba sa iyo. Pero hindi nila alam yung mga pinagdadaanan mo financially. Pwedeng iba sa inyo nagka-problema regarding something, yung ipon na wala, etc. I feel like iba sa inyo may mga utang, yan, debt. The 6 of Pentacles, this could be pinahiram or itinulong ng iba sa'yo. And then you do have the 10 of Swords. This is you na gusto mo nang matapos to, no? Siyempre, ang hirap naman may utang. Iba that this could be credit card, loans, or could be just people na tumulong sa'yo. And then you want to face them and i-end kung ano man yung mga naibigay nila sa'yo, no? Or naitulong nila sa'yo. The Knight of Pentacles is here. I feel like, you have lost a lot. So, may mga nawala talaga sa'yo. May mga naubos. And, the 4 of Swords is here. So, sobrang nagbigay ito sa'yo ng sobrang kalungkutan, stress. Wala kang magawa eh. This is like a challenge for you. And, pwede ka nakaka-relate guys, huwag mong pilitin ha. Hindi naman natin pwedeng ipilit dahil ito ay general reading. Okay, inuulit-ulit ko kasi yung iba sasabihin, hindi ako lagi nakaka-relate. Maybe you have to check your natal chart. I-check mo yung Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, chart mo sa iyong natal chart. Okay, so Virgo. Yeah, you do have the Knight of Pentacles. You have here the World and the King of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, the 5 of Cups. I feel like there's an advice here na parang ayaw mong, or may upcoming advice, paparating na advice na I feel like hindi mo to kukunin like an advice because this would cause a lot of pain for you. So, nagbibigay ito ng kalungkutan para sa'yo. Ayaw mo tong advice na to. You don't want this. I feel like someone wants to help you, pero parang ayaw mo magpatulong dito sa taong to. Kasi hindi mo to nakikitang tulong. And I feel like mas mapapabilis yung gusto mong mapuntahan if you would allow this person, or yun yung feeling nitong person na to. Mas mapapadali kang puntahan yung mga gusto mong puntahan. You want to be successful, kailangan mo ng tulong ko. But I feel like you don't like, ayaw mo. I don't know, maybe iwasan yung mataas ang ego or what. The King of Pentacles, you really have someone by your side who is like, nakikita natin may taong sumusunod sa'yo sa kung ano yung sasabihin mo. Maybe you're a boss, or maybe there's just a person na pag may sinabi ka, sunod itong taong ito. The world is here. So, you are, either you are being open, dalawa lang yan. Either ikaw ay nagiging open or ikaw ay nagiging close. Pag sinasabi nating open, maybe you are open pagdating sa mga gusto mo mangyari, and close in a way na yung gusto mo lang mangyari. Kung may babanggitin kayo sa akin, may sasabihin kayo sa akin, hindi ko para pakinggan yung gusto nyong mangyari para sa akin. Kasi una sa lahat, buhay ko to. Some of you, ganun ang pinapakita nitong the world, ano. And, yeah, you're still holding on with the Queen of Wands to something. You're still holding on. Hindi ko nakikitang bibitawan mo or binibitawan mo kung ano man ito, maybe a career, a job, or sideline, or maybe a business. Some of you, especially with the Queen of Wands, hindi ko nakikitang binibitawan mo. Bakit? Hindi ka naman nahihirapan eh. 'Di ba? And you're enjoying yourself. Bakit mabibitawan yung something na nai-enjoy mo naman? And maybe yung iba sa inyo, if this is a career, so bakit mo bibitawan? Masaya ka naman sa mga taong kasama mo. Some of you, ganun, ano. Tell me for the sign of Virgo. In the near future, please, for the sign of Virgo, pagdating sa kanilang career. I will not take this, no. Hindi ko yun kukunin. Masyadong maraming card yung lumabas. Masyadong luma na kasi itong aking card. This is like one of my favorite. And as you can see, luma na siya. So, medyo mahirap na siyang i-shuffle. Anyway. Knight of Swords is here. Five of Swords. This devil, you do have the devil, someone is really stressing you in the near future. Nakikita natin na someone, maybe a boss, or someone na nagmamanipulate sa'yo. Yung gusto niya siya yung masunod sa'yo. I feel like you will try your best na iwasan itong taong ito. Pero kitang-kita ka niya eh. Like, you know, kahit malayo ka, he or she can understand what you are trying to do. Or, like maybe with the Five of Swords, tinatry niyang sabihin sa'yo kung ano dapat mong gawin, etc., etc., etc. And ito yung magiging, especially there's Mercury retrograde. So, ito ay magiging malaking epekto sa'yo dahil, Mercury is the sign or a planet for communication. So, maaring may tao, may particular person makapagpa-trigger sa'yo eh. Yung parang, yung salita niya, makapagpa-trigger sa'yo, makapagpagalit sa'yo, makapagpainis sa'yo. Alam mo yun, yung parang ayaw mo nung sinasabi niya, but you have no choice but to listen to this person. And, you know, you do have the Star. This is your wish fulfillment. And, nakikita natin, you're really not letting go of something na alam mong this is what you want. This is what you're wishing for. This is what your wish is. And nakikita natin na hindi mo to i-let go. And I feel like, in the future, you do have here the Nine of Pentacles. For me, for what I can see here, meron kang something na ibibigay. And then, pag naibigay mo na itong bagay na ito, or gagawain, yung iba, this is something na gagawain, ano? Yung iba, ibibigay. This could be a money. Some of you, pwedeng may mababayaran kang kautangan or something na pwedeng maging dahilan para ito ay umalis or lumayo na sa'yo. Parang, ano na to, iiwas na to. This is, tell me more. You do have the Five of Cups. Tell me about the Five of Cups. Nine of Cups. Some of you magiging mas mapapadali yung iyong buhay, or mapapadali ang iyong success or something with the help of this Nine of Cups. To me, this shows us people or family or mga taong importante sa'yo, mas mapapabilis yung success mo, yung gusto mong mangyari with the help of these people. What is the advice for Virgo pagdating sa career? What is the advice for the you don't have the wheel, so King of Cups. Advice, you do have the Nine of Wands and the Ten of Wands. Bottom of the deck, you do have here the Seven of Wands, Eight of Swords, I feel like the advice for you is to make changes. Kailangan mong gumawa ng pagbabago. Some of you need to relocate, lumipat, umalis. And the Nine of Wands, this is like your comfort zone. So, kung hindi ka alis sa iyong comfort zone, you know, nothing will happen. You know, and with the Ten of Wands, kailangan mong lumipat or umalis or mag-change ng direction. You really want your star, you know. Yun naman talaga yung goal mo eh. Gusto mo talaga ma-achieve yun. Pero maaaring may paraan na ibinibigay sa'yo at hindi yung paraan na alam mo. Maybe there's another way. And the King of Cups, you want to, I can see na parang may mga gusto kang puntahan or gusto kang gawin na parang hindi mo magawa. Or you're asking for help sa something na hindi ka naman matutulungan. Like there's something na mabibigyan ka ng tulong sa ngayon but I feel like you're not accepting this. Tell me more about the advice for the sign of Virgo. I feel like you do have a Queen of Cups. You need to surrender. Surrender. Like katulad sa ano no, sa dagat, sa alon. Mas magiging madali pa kung hindi ka lalaban, kumbaga nun. Kasi the more na lumalaban ka, the more na magiging mahirap. Nine of Wands is here, so tell me about this. There's the Fool. Well, I feel like kailangan mong mag-take ng risk sa something. Knight of Wands is here. So, just enjoy the ride. I can see possible na I feel like for some of you wag mong the advice is like wag mong bitawan, isama mo parang ganun. Maybe you just need to relocate or something. So, for some of you, kung ito ay career or maybe a business, maybe, you know, kailangan mo lang ilipat because maybe that place is not working out for you. Okay? Kung may isasama ka, maybe isama mo yung the rest na kailangan mo isama dyan sa career na yan. If this is a sideline, maybe kailangan mo lang ilipat kung saan mo ito ilalagay or ipipwesto. I don't know, that's the message here. Maybe this is especially there's this Jupiter conjunction Uranus sa planets, no, sa astrology, which is that is signifying transformation. Pero yung transformation is for the better. It's a good transformation. So, you need to embrace itong transformation na ito. Okay? Yeah, you do have your death and rebirth. Like, maybe you need to end something. May kailangan kang i-end. But there's definitely a new beginning after this. So, you need to end something. Pero hindi naman siya total ending. Kasi nakikita natin, kung ayaw mong bitawan, o ayaw mong, mawala, then just take it. You know, maybe, yeah, the 8 of Wands is here, 3 of Cups, 2 of Swords. So, you need to make a decision. And, I feel like mas magiging maganda is, sundin mo yung utak mo, huwag yung puso mo. So, analyze the situation according sa isip mo, hindi sa emosyon mo. Some of you kasi ang pinapagana mo sa desisyon na to ay ang puso mo, kasi mahal ko itong napamahal na ako, na-enjoy ko na to, etc. And that is like a different story. Iba yon. Now, maybe you just need to relocate or maggawan mo ng paraan na magkaroon ng transformation, malaking pagbabago. Kasi pag nagawa mo ito, there's this, nakakamoy nga pala ako ng bagoong or something na maalat. This could be a reading. Anyway, so ayun, nakakita tayo na this change is for the better. Okay? Malaking pagbabago, pero magiging mas maayos or magiging mas maganda ang lahat. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.